Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for beginners. First, let's understand what Shopify is. It's a powerful e-commerce platform that helps you build and manage your online store with ease. You can sell physical or digital products to customers worldwide. To start, simply sign up for a free trial, which usually lasts for 3 days, giving you ample time to explore its features and begin setting up your shop. Once you have your account, the next step is building your store. Select a theme from the Shopify theme store to give your shop a professional look. There are over 100 free and paid options. Then, add your products, including clear descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing. Finally, set up crucial details like shipping rates, payment gateways, and taxes to ensure smooth transactions for your future customers. Managing your products and orders effectively is key to a successful store. Organize your items into collections, making it simple for customers to find what they need. When an order comes in, Shopify provides tools to track its status from payment to fulfillment. Use the inventory management features to keep an eye on stock levels, helping you avoid overselling and ensuring customer satisfaction. To grow your business, you'll need to market your store. Shopify offers various marketing tools, including options for search engine optimization and social media integration. Create enticing discount codes or run promotions to attract new customers and reward loyal ones. Regularly check your store's analytics dashboard to understand customer behavior and identify areas for improvement, helping you make data-driven decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.